Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to lift a Cadillac Escalade. Before you begin, prioritize safety. Always work on a flat, stable surface and use wheel chocks to prevent movement. Locate the correct jacking points in your owner's manual to avoid damage. Never rely solely on a jack. Always use sturdy jack stands once the vehicle is raised. This ensures your safety and prevents accidents while working underneath. To lift the front of your Escalade, first position a robust floor jack directly under the front crossmember. This central point provides stable support. Slowly pump the jack handle, carefully raising the vehicle until the front tires are just off the ground. Once at the desired height, place two sturdy jack stands under the frame rails near the front wheels. Lower the vehicle gently onto the jack stands, ensuring they are firmly seated before removing the floor jack. Now, for the rear of your Escalade, carefully position your floor jack under the rear differential housing. This is a strong, central point designed to bear the vehicle's weight. Begin to slowly raise the rear of the vehicle, ensuring it lifts evenly. Once the rear tires are clear of the ground, place two jack stands securely under the rear frame rails, just in front of the rear wheels. Gently lower the vehicle onto these stands, confirming stability before removing the floor jack. With your Escalade safely supported, you can now perform your maintenance. When you're ready to lower it, carefully reverse the process. Raise the vehicle slightly with the floor jack, remove the jack stands, and then slowly lower the vehicle to the ground. Always ensure the area is clear before lowering. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.